What if I told you the average American household spends $2,500 a year on fuel, and nearly 30% of that is completely unnecessary? In today's video, I'm revealing 13 fuel-saving secrets that gas stations absolutely do not want you to know. Some of these tips won't just save you money, they can protect your engine from expensive repairs and reduce your chances of an accident. And at the end, I'll share a secret that can save you over $1,500, and it won't cost you a single dime. Let's start with secret number 13. And trust me, many people get this completely wrong. Number 13. Stop using premium fuel for non-premium cars. Millions of drivers instinctively grab the premium nozzle even when their car doesn't need it. According to AAA, 16 million Americans make this mistake every year, wasting over $2 billion. Here's the truth. Premium does not mean higher quality. It does not clean your engine. It does not improve performance. And it can actually cause long-term issues if your engine wasn't designed for it. Premium only refers to octane rating, not quality. Consumer Reports tested cars that recommend premium but don't require it. The result? Absolutely no benefit. So unless your vehicle explicitly requires premium, you're burning money for no reason. Number 12. Don't ignore a dirty air filter. People believe modern cars don't lose fuel economy from dirty air filters, but that's only half true. A clogged filter can make the engine harder to start, cause spark plug fouling, reduce acceleration, increase carbon buildup, and yes, hurt long-term fuel economy. Your ECU can adjust air-fuel ratios, but it cannot overcome airflow restriction forever. Replace your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles for maximum efficiency. Number 11. Keep your tires at the correct pressure. The TPMS light comes on too late, only after your tire drops 25% below the recommended pressure. By then, you've already lost money. DOE and EPA data show every 1 psi drop, 0.2% fuel loss. If your tires are down by 8 psi, that's 1.6% wasted fuel. Only 19% of drivers have all their tires properly inflated. Tips: check the door jamb, not the tire sidewall. Check pressure every month. Never overinflate. It's unsafe and destroys tires. Number 10. Remove roof racks when not in use. Roof racks and cargo boxes are aerodynamic nightmares. Studies show a roof rack at highway speed, 12% fuel loss. Empty cargo box, up to 25% loss. Americans waste 100 million gallons of fuel every year because of empty roof racks alone. If you're not using it, take it off. Number 9. Don't ignore adaptive cruise control. Most drivers who have cruise control barely use it, and adaptive cruise control, even fewer. But varying your speed constantly can increase fuel consumption by 20%. Aggressive driving, rapid speed-ups and hard braking can increase fuel use by 30%. Adaptive cruise control maintains smooth acceleration, reduces unnecessary braking, saves 5 to 7% fuel on average. If your car has it, use it. Number 8. Stop idling for long periods. Modern cars don't need long idling, not even in winter. EPA says idling burns 0.25 to 0.5 gallons per hour. If you're stopped for more than 10 seconds, it's more efficient to turn the engine off. Unnecessary idling also causes carbon buildup, premature engine wear, exhaust corrosion. Even in cold temperatures, 30 seconds of idling is enough. Number 7. Use lower viscosity oil. About 60% of drivers use the wrong oil viscosity. Thinner, full synthetic oil reduces friction and circulates faster, improving fuel economy by around 2.4%. Example, if the manual recommends 5W30, using 0W20 in winter can boost fuel economy. Rule of thumb: thinner oil in winter, slightly thicker oil in summer. Always use full synthetic. Number 6. Drafting effective but dangerous. Yes, drafting behind a truck can reduce fuel consumption by up to 35%, but it is extremely dangerous and illegal in all 50 states. At a safe distance, around 250 feet at 65 miles per hour, you might save 1 to 3%, which is reasonable and safe. Anything closer is a death wish. Number 5. AC versus windows down, the real answer. Low speed. AC can increase fuel usage by 15 to 30%. Highway, open windows create aerodynamic drag. At about 60 miles per hour, AC becomes more efficient. Best strategy? City driving, windows down. Highway, AC on plus recirculation mode. Number 4. Remove unnecessary weight. DOE estimates every extra 100 pounds equals 1% lower MPG. Golf clubs, tools, old gear, all of it costs you money. Some people go extreme and remove seats. You don't have to. Just clean out the trunk and spare junk. Number 3. Anticipate traffic like a pro. Aggressive driving, 15 to 30% higher fuel use on highways. 10 to 40% in stop-and-go traffic. Look far ahead. If you see a red light ahead, ease off the gas and coast. Reduce lane switching. It doesn't get you there faster, but it increases risk. Smooth driving equals maximum fuel efficiency. Number 2. Double-check the gas cap. 1 in 5 cars has a loose or damaged gas cap. DOT says this can waste 30 gallons of fuel per year through vapor loss. Error codes like P0457, P0456, P0442, P0455 are often related to the gas cap. Check the rubber seal. If it's cracked or worn, replace it immediately. Number 1. Avoid fueling extremes. Driving with a near-empty tank destroys fuel pumps. They rely on gasoline for cooling. A failed pump costs around $1,500 to replace. On the opposite extreme, topping off the tank after the pump clicks is just as bad, because fuel spills, wasted money, and ruined paint. Vapor recovery pumps suck fuel back in, you still pay for it. Overfilling can flood the evap system. Repairs cost $1,000 to $2,500. Rule: never go below quarter tank, stop fueling the moment the pump clicks. These 13 secrets not only save fuel, they protect your engine from expensive damage.